So how do you use a model to understand percentages? Well, here we have a square that represents one whole, and they want to know what percent is represented by the shaded area. Well, we know that a whole, the whole entire thing all the way around, is supposed to be 100%. Well, if this is cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 columns, that must mean that each column is worth 10 because 100 split into 10 pieces is 10. So that means each column is 10%. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shaded columns. 7 times 10 is 70%. So the circle below represents one whole. What percent is represented by the shaded area? So here's a circle. The circle, again, the entire circle is supposed to be 100%. So it's broke up into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So if I break that up into 4 pieces, each piece is 100 divided by 4, which is 25%. So if I have one of the 25% pieces shaded, it must represent 25%. So here's 100% on this tape diagram. So if the entire thing is, so if you can see here, right here is 100%. So this piece is 100%. So I have multiple pieces that are the same size as 100%. So this would have to be 100%, 200%, 300, 400, 500, 600%. Here's another tape diagram that represents 100%. So this time, the entire thing is 100%. So I want a piece of 100%. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. 3 of them are shaded. So that would then mean that if the whole thing is 100%, 4 pieces is broken up into 4 pieces. Each piece is worth 25%. So if this is 25, 25, 50, 75%, the shaded area is 75%. So that's it. So you can use fraction models to figure out pieces of percents or percentages. It's not that difficult to put into practice and work well.